Today we will learn how you can automatically add details in Google Sheets when fresh proposal is accepted. So let's say you want every time a proposal in fresh proposal is accepted, the proposal details and the client details should be added as a row in Google Sheets. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add details in a Google Sheet on acceptance of a proposal in fresh proposals, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Now Pabbly Connect. On top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write fresh proposals to Google Sheets. Okay, it's loading. Now you will see two windows here, trigger and action. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made, the action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be whenever a proposal in fresh proposal is accepted, the action can be add those proposal details in a Google Sheet. So let us begin and select fresh proposals. For the trigger event, we will select proposal accepted. It will trigger when a proposal is accepted. Let us connect, add new connection, and now you will see it needs an API key. So for that, you can read the instructions. You can find your API key from integrations and Pabbly. Okay. So now let me take you to my fresh proposals account. So this is my fresh proposal account and this was the proposal I'll be working on. I'll come back to this later. Let us first quickly integrate. On the left hand side, you will see integrations. So I'm just going to click there. And from there, you will find Pabbly. Click there. And here is the Pabbly key, the API key that we need. So we are just going to copy it, come back to Pabbly and paste the key here. Now let us save. So now you will see it's connected. Now we will just click on save and send test request. You will see it is waiting for a response. So now we will have to do a test submission. That is, we'll have to accept a dummy proposal in fresh proposals. So to check if fresh proposals is integrated with Pabbly. Okay. Now let us go to fresh proposals, come back to proposals. So this was the proposal I was working on, interior design code. You can see the details here on the right hand side. You can see the price. The price is this $12,496. If you will see the signatures here, you will see my client Neeraj Shri. I had sent this proposal. I had mailed my proposal to this client. They have already signed and it is showing signed here, whereas my signature is still pending. So let me take you through my proposal here. These are all the details here. And if I'll scroll down, you will see here, this is signature of my client here, Neeraj Shri. Now on the right hand side, right bottom, if you will come, there is self-sign. So now I will sign. Just agree to the terms. And it's loading. And you will see I have also signed. So now since both the parties have signed this proposal, we can accept it. Okay. This proposal is eligible to be accepted now. So now I'm just going to click on accept. So now the proposal is accepted. Let us quickly go to Pabbly and see if it is able to capture the response. And yes, Pabbly has captured the response. You can see a proposal name, that is interior design code. The status is signed. Due date is here. Then other categories are here. The client company name is here. You can see client first name, last name, client email address is here. Then the price is here. That was $12,000 something. 12,496 to be specific. Then the proposal number it is generated, the currency it is given. So this means we have successfully integrated our fresh proposals with Pabbly Connect. Now on to our next step, which is action. And for here, we are going to select Google Sheets. Now for the action event, I will select add new row. I want every time the proposal is accepted in fresh proposals, its details should be added as a new row in Google Sheets. So I'm going to connect, add new connection and connect with Google Sheets. So I'm going to select my account here. And since I was already logged into my account, I will not have to give my credentials. I will continue. Authorization successful, it says. Now you will see it's connected. So here it will show the list of spreadsheets that I have created in my Google Sheet account. In my Google Sheets, you can see these sheets here. So I will be working on fresh proposals test. So I want every time a proposal is accepted in fresh proposals here. So the details should be added in fresh proposals test Google Sheet. So this is the Google Sheet I have created. I've prepared with the name fresh proposal test. So I will need these details: proposal name, proposal number, the status, client name, client email, and the price. And therefore I have selected this fresh proposal test here. Okay. So now let us quickly map some details here. So now it needs proposal name. So we are going to click on fresh proposals here in the drop down. And let's see if we have the proposal name. It's right on the top, interior design code. But before we map this, you must be thinking, where are we getting all these fresh proposal details from? So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated fresh proposals with Pabbly, did a test submission, and Pabbly captured this proposal details, the details of the proposal that was accepted. So Pabbly has brought exactly same details over here, and that's how we are going to map. So let me click here and map proposal name, that is interior design code. Now comes the proposal number. In a similar fashion, we are going to click on fresh proposals and let us search for the proposal number. Okay, so this is the proposal number here, F-281. Okay. Now proposal status, again we are going to map it from fresh proposals. So let us see, search using status for quick results, and here it is signed. Client name it needs. Okay, so now let us search using client just name, and you will see the first name. So I'm going to map it. Since I want full name of the client, so I'm just going to give a space after first name. Again go to fresh proposals, search using name, and you will find the last name. I'm going to map it right there. So this way client's full name, that is Neeraj Sri, will come. Then client email. Let's see if we have client email here in the response. Let us search using email, and yes, here it is, the client's email. Now proposal price, that is in dollars, in USD. So we are going to search using price. Okay, so the price is $12,496. In case you wish to map the currency is also available here individually. You can map it. But since I have already mentioned in my Google Sheets that the proposal price is in USD dollar, so I'm not going to give the currency here. Okay, so we have mapped in almost all the details. Now before I click on save and send test request, just one thing I would like to tell you. The fields that we have mapped in here, you can see proposal name, proposal number, and all these mapped in fields. The best part about this mapping is from next time these mapped in fields will automatically be updated. So what will happen is the next time any proposal is accepted here in fresh proposals, here in Google Sheets, these mapped in fields like proposal name, proposal number, client name, price, etc. These mapped in details will automatically, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data. They will automatically be updated and you will not have to do it manually. So now let us just click on save and send test request. So now you will see we have received the response here. You can see the spreadsheet ID over here, the table range here, that is A1 is to F1, then the updated range and these details. Now let me take you to my Google Sheets and see if these details have been added there or not. So this is the fresh proposal test, and you can see these proposal details have been successfully added here as a new row. The proposal name is design quote, then the proposal number, status, the client name Neeraj Tree, the client email, and proposal price. So this means we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets and fresh proposals using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.